Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up Microsoft Edge browser for Motorola Razr 2022. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here try to find an app called Microsoft Edge. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Right here, you can customize it by signing in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Right here, you can accept or disagree with a setup for a data sharing preferences. Click on confirm. Set Microsoft Edge as a default or click on not now. I'm gonna do it. And from here, we can start using this browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.